1 day or 2 day outing. Once you come here, you will realize that this is such a beautiful place, and the roads are super curvy.
Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are taking you on a mesmerizing journey to Bisle Ghat in Karnataka, India. Bisle Ghat is a hidden gem in Western Ghats known for its lush greenery, stunning landscapes and rich biodiversity. Bisle Ghat is about approximately 275 kilometers from Bangalore city and 55 kilometers from Sakleshpur. Bisle Ghat is home to the Bisle Reserve Forest, a protected area within the Western Ghats. There were 4 tolls to the Bisle Ghat, and we paid around 200 rupees for toll charges. This forest is a treasure trove of biodiversity with an incredible variety of flora and fauna. We have almost reached Bisle Ghat, as you can see here. So let's park the car and let's go.
We are in Bisle Viewpoint, and you can see there is an entrance. So they charge around 20 per person for an entry, and you'll enjoy the rest of the scene here because the mountains are really so nice to see from here. The view is so amazing. Let's go.
So finally, we had the privilege of having this one of the best views in Sakleshpur in Bisle Ghat. I think this is where we see the difference between the urban and the rural. I think we are standing in the middle of the clouds. We are completely surrounded by clouds. Almost done with the Bisle Ghat view. No signal is available here. I think my Airtel is working a little bit, but no 4G or 3G connections. Vodafone 0, no connectivity at all. maybe I would suggest you to bring BSNL. As we wrap up our journey through Bisle Ghat, I can't help but be amazed by the untouched natural beauty and the serenity of this place. This place offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of our city life. I highly recommend adding Bisle Ghat to your travel bucket list. Trust me, it's an experience you won't forget. Thank you for joining us on this trip. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel and exploration. Until next time, happy travels.
So, yes, we have reached our resort. It's Rosetta by Fern, Sakleshpur. This is the entrance and let's check in.